The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:15 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sublette to near Leland, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Elgin, DeKalb, Bartlett, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, West Chicago, Batavia-Huntley, Geneva, Sycamore, Campton Hills, Sandwich, Genoa, Shabona, South Elgin, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Pingree Grove, Gilberts, West Dundee, Hampshire, and Elburn. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1:00 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. & hail threat. Radar indicated. Max hail size 1.50 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated. Max wind gust 60 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.